Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Video I'm going to show you how to change a simple alphabet in a floral alphabet. Select the picture and trace the image from the image trace tool. Click on expand. Place the floral design on the alphabet. Send it to back. Click on the floral designand, go to the Object tab, click on Path, select Offset Path. Set offset to 1.5 pixels and joints to the round. Click on the alphabet. Right-click and select the Create Outline option. Select All and go to Shape Builder tool. Select the color of your choice. Select the area which is necessary. Ungroup it. Place the inner area on the right side. Press Ctrl D. Thank you for watching. Subscribe our channel and stay tuned.